Hello, everybody. Today I'd like to present the results of our research is titled A Reference Model for Collaborative Business Intelligence Virtual Assistants. Our research is funded by the French National Research Agency under the project Business Intelligence for the People. Collaborative business analysis is a methodology that involves bringing together different stakeholders to collaboratively analyze data and gain insight into business operations. The primary objective is to encourage knowledge sharing and collaboration. These activities may take place through various channels such as in-person meetings, virtual collaboration tools, or online forums. This paper deals with virtual collaboration tools as an important part of business intelligence platform. The goal of virtual assistant is to make data exploration more accessible to a wider range of users and to reduce the time and effort required for the data analysis. I'd like to start with introduce the topic and background, and then I will explain the collaborative business intelligence concept and underline the research questions. Then we go to the reference model of collaborative business intelligence virtual assistant, and finally we discuss and make the conclusions. So, the main idea of collaborative business intelligence is to collect people in one virtual or real space and encourage them to leave their comment or opinion for general purpose. Moreover, reusing another collaborator's results or comments make general business intelligence like collaborative business intelligence. There are two main issues that should be resolved. They are collaborative space and reusing experience. Data analysis help us to make better decisions based on the insights and patterns we discover in data. By analyzing data, we can identify trends, relationships, and patterns that would be difficult or impossible to discern otherwise. Collaborative business analysis is a process of analyzing data and making business decisions collaboratively. According to the analysis, we need for data research is not limited to businesses seeking profit or government taking national issues, but also includes individuals and society as a whole. These groups require data analysis to make socially significant or personal decisions. However, it can be challenging to facilitate collaboration between potential users, decision makers, and technical specialists in data analysis. For People project aims to address these issues by leveraging online analytical processing to provide interactive analysis and data visualization through a software as a service model. This allows a broader audience to access data warehousing, including multi-source, heterogeneous data integration. Collaborative business intelligence involves using social networks, quizzes, brainstorming sessions, and even simple chats between 2 or 3 coworkers on team to collaboratively solve problems. Collaborative business intelligence and collective intelligence are related concepts that both involve bringing people together to work collaboratively and share knowledge. In this research, we focus on the development of collaborative BI framework in terms of conversational assistant concept. The main goal is to investigate and improve collaborative BI tools based on virtual assistants. Thus, the research questions are: what is the main scenario for a collaborative tool on a virtual platform? What type of collaborative assistant is the most relevant as a collaborative BI assistant tool? What artificial intelligent models and natural language understanding should feature in a collaborative business intelligent virtual assistant? A data exploration is the core of business intelligence. It is important to design powerful and efficient tools to support BI processes such as data analysis or visualization. From other side, it can be extremely hard to manage data analysis for an experienced user. Analysis shows that some solutions from artificial intelligence can help with an issue. Machine learning and natural language processing can help organizations to automate and optimize their data analysis processes and make more accurate and informed decisions based on the insight derived from data. A chatbot is a computer program that can simulate human conversations through text or voice interaction with users. Chatbots are typically designed to perform specific tasks or provide information to users. They are usually rule-based, meaning they follow predefined scripts or decision trees to respond to user inputs. There are some chatbots and conversational agents that allow users to combine commands through nested conversation to accomplish open-ended data analysis tasks. They are IBM Watson Assistants, the Dialogflow platform, RASA, the BotPress platform, the VIT AI platform, and many others. Collaborative business intelligence involves enabling users to share data, insights, and perspective with one another in order to improve decision making and drive better business outcomes. The main points of the concept of collaborative BI can be summarized as follows. Collaborative BI is centered around the idea of collaboration and knowledge sharing among team members. CBI involves sharing data across teams and departments. This means breaking down data silos and ensuring that everyone has access to the same data regardless of where it is stored. CBI leverages data visualization tools to make data more accessible and easier to understand. This allows team members to quickly identify trends and patterns and make informed decisions. Collaborative BI is agile, meaning that it enables teams to quickly adapt to changing business needs and make decisions based on the latest data. CBI is a continuous process of improvement, with team members working together to identify opportunities for improvement and make changes to their process accordingly. Chatbots are computer programs that use artificial intelligence to simulate conversation with human users. There are several reasons why chatbots are becoming increasingly popular for collaborative tools. Chatbots provide a convenient way for users to access information and perform tasks without having to leave the communication platform. This makes it easier to turn members to collaborate and share information without having to switch between multiple tools. Chatbots can automate routine tasks and processes, freeing up time for team members to focus on more high-value activities. This can improve productivity and help team work more efficiently. They can be customized to meet the specific needs of individual users, providing personalized experiences that can improve engagement and adaptation. Chatbots can handle large volumes of requests and interactions simultaneously, making them well suited for collaborative tools that serve a large number of users. They are available 24/7, providing users with access to information and support around the clock. There exist multiple approaches to implementing collaborative BI. There are social BI, mobile BI, cloud-based BI, self-service BI, and embedded BI. Social business intelligence leverages social media platforms to gather insights and share information with a wider audience. Mobile BI provides access to BI tools and information through mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. This approach can be useful for remote teams or teams that are frequently on the go. With cloud-based business intelligence, data are stored in a centralized location in the cloud rather than on local servers or hard drivers. Self-service BI refers to the approach of empowering business users to create their own reports, dashboards, and analyses without relying on IT or data analysts. It enables users to access and analyze data without the need for technical skills or assistance from IT staff. Eventually, embedded BI integrates BI tools and insights directly into other business applications and workflows. This can help improve collaboration by providing users with easy access to relevant data and insights within the context of their work. Moreover, chatbots can be a powerful tool for facilitating collaborative BI by providing users with quick and easy access to data and insights, improving collaboration, feedback, and helping the democratize data and insights across an organization. Chatbots can fall into different categories depending on their functionality and the type of collaboration they support. A chatbot is a type of conversational agent, but not all conversational agents are chatbot. Conversational agent is a broader term that encompasses any type of computer program or system that can engage in natural language interaction with users. As analysis shows, there are several neural network architectures that are commonly used for designing conversational agents. The most spread are recurrent neural network, long short-term memory, generative adversarial network, the sequence-to-sequence models, and transformers. These are just a few examples of the neural network architectures that are used for conversational agents. The specific choice of architecture depends on the particular task and dataset at hand, as well as the resources available for training and deployment. We can conclude that the use of chatbots and conversational agents is becoming increasingly prevalent in collaborative BI as they provide a user-friendly interface for retrieving and sharing data. The current trends in CBI include the adoption of cloud-based solutions, mobile BI, and the integration of advanced technologies such as natural language processing and machine learning. Self-service BI, which empowers users to create their own reports and analysis, is also gaining popularity. Data exploration is an important component of the BI process, which involves collecting, identifying, and analyzing data to discover meaningful insights and patterns. The main goal of data exploration is to identify key business opportunities and challenges that can drive decision-making and improve business performance. The main steps of data exploration for BI can be summarized as follows. Defining the business problem involves identifying the business area where data exploration can be useful, defining the problem to be solved, and determining the key questions to ask during the exploration process. Collecting data involves gathering raw data from various sources such as database systems, data warehouses, spreadsheets, web pages, social media, or other relevant sources. Preparing data involves cleaning and formatting data to ensure its accuracy, completeness, consistency, and quality. This step also involves transforming data into a more usable format such as tables, graphs, charts, and other visualizations. Exploring data involves analyzing data to identify patterns, trends, correlations, and relationships among different variables. This step may involve exploratory analysis techniques such as clustering, regression analysis, correlation analysis, time series analysis, and other statistical methods. Communicating insights involve presenting the finding in a clear and concise manner using visualization, dashboards, reports, or other forms of communication that can be easily understood by the stakeholders. Action planning involves using the insight gained from data exploration to drive action and make informed decisions that can drive business performance. This step may involve developing strategies, setting goals and objectives, and implementing action plans based on insights gained from data exploration. Moreover, there are several architectures that are commonly used for conversational agent development. Rule-based architecture uses a set of predefined rules and decision trees to understand user inputs and generate responses. Finite state machine architecture uses a set of states and transitions to model the conversation flow. Natural language understanding architecture uses machine learning algorithms to understand user inputs. A hybrid architecture uses a combination of the above architecture to balance simplicity, flexibility, and accuracy. Overall, the choice of architecture depends on the specific requirements of the conversational agent and the resources available for the development and training. The picture shows the three main modules that make up a typical task-oriented dialogue agent. They are natural language understanding, which identifies user intents and extracts associated information. Dialogue management module, which tracks the dialogue state to capture all essential information in the conversation and selects the next action based on the current state. Natural language generation, which converts agent actions to natural language responses. So, to choose the appropriate reference model for collaborative virtual assistants, we need to precise the collaborative model, the steps of data exploration, and a basic neural network architecture. Let us consider in more detail the task features of organization-joined data analysis. It is necessary to consider three main aspects for the implementation of the interactive agent for collaborative BI. First, the conversational agent must communicate in natural language, not use highly specialized vocabulary, and carry on a human-like conversation. Similar tasks are solved by using a neural network architecture as a transformer, for example, ChatGPT. Second, the virtual assistant must be able to convert user instruction into data processing commands, filtering, median calculation, feature grouping, etc. An example of successful solution to such an issue is the Iris dialogue agent. However, the use of Iris is limited by the set of available commands and the need of an experienced user for solving data analysis problems. Third, the virtual assistant must support the collaborative process and make recommendations based on the analysis of the behavior of other users. There are many successful recommendation agent solutions, for example, in the field of e-commerce. However, for the collaborative BI task, they need to be adopted. Thus, the collaborative business intelligence virtual assistant must combine these three main conversational agent directions. So we present our reference model, which consists of three main components. They are the human-like interaction, data exploration, and recommendation agents. The interaction agent is based on transfer learning. It communicates directly with the user and suggests some scenario of data research based on recommendations. The recommendation agent collects and processes a user's behavior and processes to explore the data in order to achieve collaborative goals. The data exploration agent transfers expression in natural language to the data processing command. Eventually, in order to construct a virtual assistant for CBI, it is essential to incorporate three main components: conversational agents, data exploration, and recommendation. It is recommended to develop these modules as a multi-agent system, which comprises three distinct types of agents that are suitable for their respective tasks. These agents provide support for dialogue with users, capture the context of data exploration and decision making, and offer recommendation. Our approach involves the interaction of the three types of agent, each of which is responsible for executing a specific task during the conversation. Collaborative business intelligence and collaborative intelligence are related concepts that both involve bringing people together to work collaboratively and share knowledge. CBI mostly refers to the use of collaborative tools and methods to support BI processes. This may include social networks, brainstorming sessions, chat applications, and other technologies that facilitate knowledge sharing and collaboration between business users, analysts, and technical specialists. The goal of CBI is to leverage the collective knowledge and insights of the group to improve decision making, drive business outcomes, and gain a competitive advantages. Collaborative intelligence is a more general concept that applies to any situation where a group of people works together to solve a problem or make a decision. This may include scenarios outside of the business context, such as social or political movements, scientific research, or open source software development. The goal of collaborative intelligence is to leverage the collective intelligence of the group to arrive at a better solution or make better decisions than would be possible with individual efforts alone. Chatbots can be effectively used for CBI. They can integrate it with collaborative platforms or tools such as chat applications or social networks to facilitate knowledge sharing and collaboration between business users and other stakeholders. There are many different applications where collaborative agents can be beneficial. Our solution for CBI involves the use of virtual assistants. The goal of virtual assistant is to make data exploration more accessible to a wider range of users and to reduce the time and effort required for data analysis. Towards this aim, we answer the research questions and can summarize the following. The main scenario for collaborative tools virtual assistant based on text communicating involves presenting the finding in a clear and concise manner using visualizations that can be easily understood by users. It includes dialogue between the user and chatbot in order to explore the data, choose the acts, and create the visualization. The chatbot has to provide recommendations and assist with data processing acts. Secondly, we choose three-component conversational agent that which consists of three units as conversational, data exploration, and recommendation agents. They will interact each other and can be implemented as multi-agent module in order to support collaborative unit on the BI for People platform. The artificial intelligent models and natural language understanding should be identified in the future work based on experimental research due to a wide set of available options. Thank you for your attention.